there! In this video, I will show you how to create multiple subscription plans for a single WooCommerce product using the Subscription Plans plugin. Instead of creating separate products for daily, weekly, and monthly rentals, you can let customers choose the plan that works best for them, all from a single product page. In this video, we'll create a motorbike rental product with 4 options like this. Let's get started. Go to Products, Add New. Give the name Product. This product allows customers to either rent a motorcycle for different periods or purchase it outright. Add your product description as usual. Add product image. Now scroll down to the product data section. Enable subscription. First, let's enable one-time purchase. This gives customers the option to buy the motorcycle instead of renting it. We'll set the regular price to $30,000. Now, customers will be able to either purchase the bike permanently or choose one of the rental plans we'll create next. Next, enable variable plans. Notice that the single subscription settings disappear. That's because we will now create multiple subscription plans individually. Let's add our first plan. We will name it Daily Rental. Recurring every day. This means the customer is billed every day until the subscription is cancelled. Set the subscription price to $49. We have no sign-up fee or trial for this product. Now let's add another plan. We'll call it Weekly Rental. Recurring every week. Customers choosing this option will be charged once every week. Set the price to $249. Finally, let's create the monthly rental plan. Recurring every month. Price $849. Now, our product offers 3 different rental options. Let's publish the product. Now, let's open the product page. As you can see, customers can easily compare all available rental plans. They simply select the option they want. Everything happens on one product page without creating multiple products. Let's choose the weekly rental plan. Click Sign Up Now. View Cart. Inside the cart, you can clearly see the selected subscription plan, including the recurring billing schedule. Proceed to check out. The customer can also review the selected rental plan before placing the order. Click on Place Order. After checkout, customers can see the subscription summary. Customers can also manage their subscriptions from My Account, Subscriptions, Here they can view their current subscription, next payment date, renewal schedule, and subscription status, or even they can renew and cancel the subscription. And that's how easy it is to create multiple subscription plans for a single WooCommerce product. Variable plans make it easy for customers to choose the option that best fits their needs. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.